Fix to record a voice message. Allow WhatsApp access to your microphone and your media. First, go to the settings on your phone. Tap on Apps or App Manager, that depending on your device. Find and select WhatsApp from the list of apps. Tap Permissions. Make sure both microphone and storage permissions are enabled. You can also turn on all permissions for WhatsApp to avoid other permission-related issues. That's it. You can now record and send voice messages without any issues. If you have any questions, drop a comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more helpful guides. Thanks for watching.